My name is Christelle, and I am a geneticist. So I work in biology mostly, and now I am a data scientist, and I work in a pharmaceutical company, and I design therapeutic molecules for in silico for my colleagues to test in the lab.
Okay, what did you do with this? What did you do with this?
So I did the data science and intelligence. Je recommence. I did the data science and artificial intelligence bootcamp, the one that was so short in 2 months, very intense. I did that last April in 2024, and that was very interesting. I liked it.
Okay. What was your goal when joining the bootcamp?
I was working in the biotech sector, and as I worked, I realized that there were more and more the problematic of clinical data. There were so much clinical data, and not a lot of people who knew what to do with that, because there were it was a very high, volume. So I thought I would like to learn how to do data science, to analyze this type of data, to help for therapeutic research. So that was the initial goal, and then as I worked the goal was to understand more the concepts and even things that I would not do. I knew that I would not do in my work life, but learning new skills, new tools, it was very interesting.
What did you like the most about the bootcamp, the rhythm, the system of bodies, etc.?
So I liked the way it was organized. I liked the way we had to be on site to work, because after working remotely for 4 years, it was very nice, to have an emulation, and everything was buzzing. Everything was very nice. A lot of energy to meet new people as well. We were a big group. We were 62 people. So as I'm a bit shy, usually I tend not to go easily towards the people. So the buddy system was nice, because I could meet a new person every day, not to be forced or something. It was quite a smooth interaction. This was nice. I also like the rhythm. It was something new every day. It was exhausting, but at the same time, it was very rewarding. At the end of the day, you were so tired, you were ready to go to bed, but you were also very happy because you learned so many new things. And what I liked also is, in 2 months, I went from somebody who hadn't written a single line in Python in my life to somebody who could make a little computer science project, and that was actually quite incredible.
Is there a special memory that you want to share? A moment that you liked a lot?
I don't remember what I said the first time. Sorry. Yeah, but I'm trying to find something. I don't know. The first time, I think I made a little computer vision program. It was actually nice to see. Wow. To me, it was something very big, very obscure, and to see that in a few weeks into the bootcamp, I was able to do that. It was quite amazing. I think, I liked it quite a lot. And also the final project, it was really nice interacting with people. It was the first time working on the project, so you could see also how you could, work in a more professional environment on bigger projects, and it was nice to see everything come together.
And from biotechnologist or therapeutic, I don't remember, to data scientist, can you tell us more about this reskilling?
You mean after?
The fact that you were just biotech, and then you became a data scientist in that industry. chemistry, but so can you tell the story of the change?
Why I wanted to do that, you mean?
Why, yes.
Okay, so that's the thing. In biotech, we hit a bubble after COVID. It was quite tough for everybody. There was no money for the biotech, and the research was slowing down very much. And I realized the companies that were thriving were the ones using AI and data science to try to find new ways to identify therapeutic targets. So as I did that and worked a lot more on projects involving clinical data and realizing how little it was exploited, I would say it was 10% that was exploited over the millions and millions of different data we had. I wanted to be able to have the tools to do that, so I thought it was a nice way to evolve into a new role, still in biotech, but as a data scientist using, data science as a tool for the same goal as before, which is finding new therapeutic targets.
And in your day-to-day, how do you apply the skills you've learned in the
Well, I do a lot of pandas, as I did in the boot camp. So it was very, very nice to have, this skill set very well developed during the boot camp. I also work a little bit on deep learning and machine learning also. I use NLP, which is the main tool for nucleic acids in biology. So I work a lot with that. But also at the same time, I still get to use the skills that I've learned while doing my PhD, which is quite nice to have both. So one day it's a little bit more data science, another day it's a little bit more genetics, and I really love that about my job.
I'm taking what you shared to me. Yeah. So you're coding every day?
Yeah, pretty much.
Okay. You
Yes.
want to share a bit around this?
Well, I don't really know what to say. I mean, I code, and when my code works, I get not to code sometimes. But when you are coding, that's what I'm learning right now in my first job as a data scientist. Is you constantly have to have your code up to date. So you have to code every time, even though you have an algorithm that works and that you can use every day. And also, you enrich everything all the time. So whenever you have time, in between projects, you try to code a little new function that will bring something more to your analysis. So yeah, basically, whenever I have the time, I code.
And that's the tools you use, and then the one you like. Is there a favorite tools you have?
Well, now I'm quite fond of pandas. At the beginning, it was quite tough when I started at Wagon because I don't know, it was difficult. There were so many possibilities, but I didn't know them at all, so it was difficult to find them. But now I use them so much that, yeah, it's pretty convenient. I like this tool.
Was there a fear you had at the beginning of the bootcamp?
Yeah, so I started the bootcamp in April, and I wrote my first line of Python in February. So I was quite scared that I wouldn't have, the level required to work and to understand, to do all the exercises and everything. But so the first month before, you had a lot of preparation to do, and then the first week before the bootcamp, you had like an online session, a Python session to put yourself up to the good level, and it was actually nice because, when I arrived on the first day, it was like, okay, so maybe I'm not so bad in Python. This will be all right.
Okay, can you present yourself again, telling us are, what you did with the Wagon, and what your job is from biotech to data science.
Yeah, so my current job, you mean?
Yeah.
Okay. Yes, so my name is Christelle. Oh, sorry, I forgot. Alors, from...
You can do it again.
Yeah, my name, what I did at the Wagon, and my job.
Yes,
okay,
just a
sorry.
presentation.
Yeah.
The idea is to see what's your story. It's a story of reskilling because you're still in the same industry, but you've changed your job, so that's what is interesting to understand.
Okay. So my name is Christelle. I did the data science and AI bootcamp at Wagon, and I am now a data scientist in the pharmaceutical company.
What are you doing before?
Oh, okay. I was a biologist, and I'm now a data scientist in a pharmaceutical company. I don't know if that...
You want to do it all again?
Yeah, maybe.
Like this?
Okay.
That's perfect. That's
Okay.
all perfect.
All right. So my name is Christelle. I did the data science and AI bootcamp at Wagon. I was a geneticist, and I'm now a data scientist in a pharmaceutical company.
Awesome. Do you feel there's something you've missed or you'd like to share?
I don't know. I think I'm good.
C'était super.
Ok.
Vraiment, ça va?
Ouais.
T'as
Transpiré.
fait un peu?
J'ai eu chaud.
C'est normal. Enfin, vous faites un job de pro. Franchement, c'était super.
Ok.
Tout